Welcome back to the training. We are in content creating 2. Before, we have explained on how you are going to get the content, making your own research using both Google and e-sign article. Now I'm going to be showing you where you can get the article for free without writing at all. You will get them for free. So stay tuned as I take you through the process. Stay tuned. So you come here, just come here, click here, just search on bestdealplr.com. bestdealplr.com. You can see I already have accounts with them. I can have somewhere. I already have accounts with them, and you can see a various topic which you can even download for free. The table of content, the descriptions, everything you need, everything will be there. Now let's check whether you will check anything topic you want to write on. These are the topics I've searched on before. So you can just come here, look for maybe pets. Let's use pets now. You can see this one, and they said love for the love of pets. For the love of pets, we have the choosing a pet. So we have pet business niche blog. So you don't need this one. Just let us go for this one. Open in another tab. When you open in another tab, come here. You can see for the love of pets, a know all short report, all about pets. So that's all about pets. Now, and if you are not into pet niche, maybe you want to be searching on parenting, you can just come here, parenting. So when you search on parenting, nothing much. Parenting. Let's search for sex. You can see these are sex. We have a lot of books on sex, so you can just sex and romance, parent guides to sex education, sex scenario. You can open in another tab. So when you come to this place, it said helpful guide on sexual health and aging, deep into how creativity fuel a healthy sex life. So now scroll down. When you scroll down, you can see the product license instruction. This is what I want to show you. Each product to be sold for not less than $7 each. That is when you want to sell the people, you must not sell it less than $100. Can be sold, that is, you can sold it. Can be rebranded as your own. You can change the cover to be your own. Can be used for personal use. Can be packaged with other products. Can be modified, change the sales letter. Can be modified the graphics and cover. So that is this book. When you use it anywhere, nobody will penalize you for using it. Look at the cover now. You can see the cover is not good enough. So you can rebrand it. You can change the name of the author to your name. You can change the content inside it. You can rewrite the content inside it. You can change the picture inside it. You can change everything. So now you just come here and click on download. In this site now, become a membership. I'm already a membership. To become a membership, you only need to pay $1 per month. Which I've paid $1 per month. You can just pay that $1 per month using your card, any of your card. So, and this one too, Parent Guide to Sex Education. Get all support and guidance you need to be a success at having a sex talk. So just come here, you click on download. You can fill the sales page. You want to fill the sales page. This is get all support and guidance you need to be a successful at having a sex talk. This is one of the most valuable resources in the world. When you can see, you can just frame your sales page to any of these, and you can create it on your own. Now we have this one, sex scenario. You can see the information, he even describe it very well. So the table of content, what the table of content is about: sex talk basic, choose the right time to speak to your child, use age appropriate book, include your own moral and value, encourage question. So that's just for when you want to, as long as you are interested in publishing this book, just click on download. When you click on download, get it on your laptop or your device. When you get it on your device and you use it, you rebrand it, you change the ebook cover, you change the name, you change everything. So in the next tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can rebrand the ebook easily without stress. So, and I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to do that.